Now this is meal one. It's been about 3 hours, 3.5 hours. I did from 8 o'clock. It's now 11 o'clock. And so this is my first meal, or my first like actual meal. And I think a meal is like something more than the shake, something that has substance to it and then more volume. So protein, fats, and carbs all in one. So this is what I got right here. Got the greens at the bottom, so I got the kale. Give you a little bit better view. I'll get the kale and the arugula at the bottom. I got corn right here. I got onions. I got quinoa. I got beans. I got green beans, and then actually other types of beans too. There's some other beans in there as well. Walnuts, raisins. I'm about to put some dressing on it. So this is meal one. After this, I'm gonna wait like an hour, maybe 2 hours, go to the gym. It's upper body day. I'll show you what we're doing at the gym. And this is the process of making gains, transforming your body on a vegan diet. Now, whether you wanna lose weight, build muscle, in my case, you have to have it structured. I like this meal sequence throughout the day, as far as like 2 shakes and 2 meals throughout the day. And it's working great. So stay tuned. Next time you see me, I'll be in the gym. Peace. Hey, what's up guys? Want to do a quick voiceover for this one here, breaking down my workout. I started out with doing some wide grip lat pull downs here. I love this mag grip that forces your hands into being in a different grip position. Gives me a little better pulling grip so I can get more emphasis on my lat muscles. So I did that to start out, and then I came over here and did upper body, so dumbbells on the incline bench press. Really working on form, like make sure my legs are stabilized. Having them wider apart like you see there is gonna give me a better stance, activate my glutes, and then I'm able to just go slow and controlled. There's no rush. I'm not trying to lift the heaviest weight, it's 50 pounds, but we're working. It's only week 2, baby. Week 2, day 9, and we working. So after that, I came over and did some spider curls, just where you elongate your biceps here so that you have more of a squeeze at the top versus having sitting in a different position, which is going to give you a little more momentum. Maybe you're going to activate a little bit other parts of your body, use your legs. This just helps isolate the bicep to get more of a strain, to get more pressure. So we can end up, getting a little better growth. I like it, like the way it makes me feel. I like the pump that I get from it too as well. It doesn't take much. I got 25 pound dumbbells. Sometimes even lighter is better. Once I was done over here, I paired that bicep workout with some back. And I love this exercise, right? If you look at my right lat right here, you can see as I go down, you can see the striations. You can just see the stretch and demand that it puts on the lat muscle. And this is a great exercise for increasing the strength of the lats. You may have to make sure that you get pretty deep, but you're controlled so that you don't hurt your shoulder. But I love this exercise. Probably one of my favorites when it comes to back exercises, especially for gains. So try it out. Stay safe. Okay, so I just came back from the gym, and I'm gonna show you guys my post-workout shake right now, show you what I put inside of it, and then why I put inside it what I put inside of it. Okay, let's do it. So we got some almond milk, I like it a little bit better than water. And then we got some walnuts, good fats, good selenium, it's great. And then we got some Brazil nuts, more selenium, more fats, because selenium's important, fat's important. And then we got some frozen bananas here just to give that smoothie texture. Some freshly ground almond butter, no sugar, no nothing, just ground almonds, and this lovely plant protein, peanut butter. All right, once you put all the ingredients in there, blend it up a little bit. All right, just came back from the gym. This is the shake that is complete. The frozen bananas that give it that smoothie texture. It also gives me enough glucose, energy basically, after depleting all the energy at the gym. It allows my body to recover efficiently. So I've learned that instead of just having protein after to rebuild muscle, it's best to have glucose, sugar, not table sugar, but high quality sugar, glucose, and then have protein pair with that, which is the vegan protein shake that you guys saw, so that the protein is absorbed better. Walnuts and stuff, good fats, just because the body needs fats for everything. And then there are also some selenium and nutrients inside of the nuts as well. Almond milk for flavor. And bottoms up. That's good. So just like my shake in the morning, I'll sip this over the next 20 minutes or so, and then I'll be ready to have my first or my second meal in about an hour or so, depending on how hungry my body is, depending on how much work I put in at the gym is going to be dependent on how quick or how soon I have actual meal after the shake. But the post-workout shake, crucial. So I'm gonna drink this. See you guys later. All right, so this is meal 2. Had my shake at about 3. It's 6:30, so another about 3 hours. I like to stay in between my meals. I did have a date or two, some nuts or seeds in between that. I do that sometimes if I just need something to eat. This is what we got. More of the same thing too. Kale, arugula, green beans, regular beans, corn, raisins, walnuts, salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and a little garlic salt with grapeseed oil too for some good fat. So we outside. That's it. That's a full day. That's a full day of eating. I don't know if I showed you both of my shakes, but that's a full day of eating. That's a workout. That's what a day looks like. That's what a complete day looks like. Full day of eating. Gym workout, and that's what we're doing to build my body, to make sure my fats levels and body fat percentage stay at the minimum, and to build as much muscle as possible on a vegan diet. On a vegan diet. I'm gonna have to up my calories pretty soon, but we're only in phase 1, week 2, so we just chilling. But that's it, y'all. Make sure you ask questions in the comments below about whatever you need to know, and I'll get more into like the vegan diet and, you know, a lot of the questions that people have. Do you get enough protein? Are there deficiencies? Stuff like that. Once I get more into this particular phase, because I want to just have more experience. I've been only doing this for 5 weeks as far as like being a vegan. I just want to have more experience. So make sure you ask your questions, ask as many questions as possible about anything. Gaining weight, burning fat, your sleep cycle, your gut health, your stress, anything you want to know about getting better health-wise, physically, emotionally, like just whatever you want to know. Food, nutrition, exercise, how to get a bigger butt if you're a girl, how to get bigger arms and stuff like that, because I'm not helping dudes get bigger butts. I'll help you strengthen your glutes. But you're not coming to me like, yo, bro, I want a bigger butt. So I'm gonna finish my salad, so I'm not eating and talking on camera. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!